So we're right here in the car. You're gonna need the pry tools, as I told you long ago, and some screwdrivers. I don't know which one they go in there, but I bring two different ones. So the first thing that you want to do is push the steering wheel all the way down. Second thing that you want to do is grabbing take out all of this. That will be the second thing you want to do. It's really amazing. I'll be doing a video on this. I love this thing. And taking this string out. Okay. The other thing is prying this. There. Start to click. Well guys, I'm learning, so this is going to be more difficult than what I thought. Is this thing come out? Okay, now we're getting some kind of Okay. There it is. Ooh. Okay. There he goes. Woo. Nice. Okay. Oh, I thought it would look a lot nicer here. Is that a spider web? What the fuck? Was a spider living there? Sorry, I destroyed your home. I'm so sorry. Well, so interesting. Okay, I can clean the screen properly. I'm so glad right now. Okay, so yeah, back to the point. You have one here. This is, I don't remember how this is called. Well, this one, it's not the flathead one. There are 4 screws. One here, one here, one here, and one here. So it's time to unscrew this. Try to grab them, don't let them go, because if you let them go, then it's not a problem. And take it all the way up. Okay. Something is interrupting. Now I have to unplug this. There. Cool. So here it is. Nice. Well, now I'm going upstairs and get a better view. So guys, we're again here in the house. Well, saying again because it took me like 3 takes, something like that. So one, it took me so many times because I was forgetting some things. Well, I was forgetting the screwdrivers and the mat, which I was actually starting to take it out apart and not put in this, and I was getting afraid to actually scratch the screen, which I will definitely hate that. So buy one of these mats. They're really good. Love them. And well, as I was doing before, I was actually taking this out with a screwdriver, and it's gonna take me some time to do all of this because I haven't read completely the instructions. I mean, I read it, but you know, I forget them. So so something like this paper so I go and push it down. Don't get stuck like this. There. There it is. Okay, so this is pretty much the screen. Look like this right now. Okay. Mark the factory new. So one of the things that I saw is that you actually have to So one of the things that I saw is that you actually have to get a kind of like Sharpie or something like that to mark where is exactly the factory needle, just to be sure. Yeah, we'll say it's right there. And this one, I will say it's right here. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna go turn it around, and I have to take all the screws on the back. So what I see right now, there are these screws. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, I am back. I'm gonna make another take, so just gonna cut. Well, I'm back. There are my T screws. Let me check which one is the one that I need. I bought these on Amazon. If you actually need the link, will just give me a comment and I will put a on the video. Okay, no, not this one. Probably is this one. Nope, still too big. Probably is this one. Yeah, found it. Okay. Okay, so here it is, already open. So by the way, so you know exactly which there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. Let's put this here. Question mark? No. Here. Yeah, there. Okay, so you wanna see this? Bunch of circuits. I don't know what they are. See what I told you about the math? See where they're resting? Don't want these to get scratched or nothing like that. So yeah, I suggest you to buy one of these if you're gonna do this. Okay. Okay, so I have to unscrew. Remove 2 screws on each side of the circuit board. Okay, so now I have to remove these 2. Okay, so there is one in here and one in here, and there is one in here and one in here. So, okay, have to unscrew this. Is this the same one? Of course not. Same. 4 out. No. So, okay, so after you've done that, you have to kind of take this out. Yeah. Do you see that this kind of has like a lever? So you have to take this out and then pull. Okay, pull it. And push it inside. Okay? So, again, right here. So, go pull it and yeah, take it apart, and this part right here, push it right inside. So it's easier for it to go out. Okay, so now, we go on this side. Cool. So, okay, technical issues. I'll be right back. Hello guys. Okay, now I know what is the problem. Okay, and this is why I hate instructions like this. And I mean, I couldn't find anything on YouTube. So what I saw is that here on the inside, right here, you cannot actually see it, but there is a white clip right there. You have to put the screwdriver right in here and push it up. So once you push it up, it should fall with no problem. With no problem. Cool. There it is. Okay, and you do the same thing on this side, which you cannot, no problem. Okay. So, remember to actually start doing that. I mean, do it the way I did it, because right now it tells you, hey, you should mark the actual zeros on the tachometer and speedometer. But this is the thing, when I start moving this, I move them around. So the first thing in my opinion, that you should do is mark them as soon as you take the screen out. You mark them and you get rid of it. Okay? So, well, even though it's pretty much from fabric, I mean, you can just guess and, I mean, just mark the 0 from the fabric and that will be it. But it's stressing. Okay, so no, mark the factory needles. Yeah, you have released the centerpiece. You can the needles. Clockwise. Okay, counterclockwise and up. Okay. So now you just have to take this out, which it doesn't seem easy. There it is. Sorry, my man. Okay. I suggest you, if you're doing this, make sure you're gonna use this again. Because they're actually bent right now and all. Well, even though the insides are bent, the rest is okay. Well, whatever. So now we're gonna start. We have to put glue, adhesive, saying do not cover the icons. That's for the charger. So. So now you can go and get double face tape. Grab some scissors. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay. Well guys, part of this installed. So to install this, now to install this, okay. So essentially you just have to push these rims out and then push the screen out, which is stuck with glue. And this one is the left side. Yeah, left side. Okay, and this one is left side. Okay, cool. Now to this. I think it's like it with and so this is one of these. Okay, so one done, the other one to go. So this is for this side. Okay, so to recap, because for some weird reason this doesn't have the instructions, and well, I was left on my own to do this. I hope it works. Right now I'm kind of like stressed out. I hope it works. So, and I didn't break anything. So now let's take out this one. Look at this with no problem. Okay, so one thing that I recommend, this doesn't have a really good finish. So for example, do you see that little part right there? That little part right there doesn't let me close entirely the thing, so I'm cutting it up with this super sharp knife, and the other side too. Okay. Okay. Now I want to go right this in, and there it goes. Pretty much. Here's the other one. So yeah, we're in business. Ready. Okay, so now let me see. They're both the same thing. So now we have to put, now that we install this, now we have to put these actual speedometer right on its place. So okay, that's exactly on 0. Cool. Okay. That's also exactly on 0. Okay. So I already put it. By the way, you have to put it counterclockwise whenever you're gonna put it, and again on where the mark is on the speedometer. So you put it in counterclockwise until the speedometer rings. Okay. Now to know which side is yours, because now I don't know which side is mine, there is this part right here which is different on each side, and there is this little clip. Do you remember the clip that didn't let me go in? Well, here's the clip. I know this one is for this side specifically, and this one's grab. Okay. No. Okay. And your side. Okay. So this one perfectly because you see this one is not accessible. So basically use this sprayer and we're right. No man. Okay. Okay. Now on this side, it'll be look. Button. I'm waiting right now. It'll be reset. Let's go. See now. Okay. So now we go put this back in here. Okay. Now we put this screw again. Let's see where the other is. I'm sure we type this again. The part is the price, and we type the part in the price. And it's wrong. And then line the price. And so that's it. So what's the other side? So there's okay. Don't touch. Any buttons, once, and up. And if we make sure that we have anything dirty, that everything makes sense, and it needs to be clean, nice. Here it up. And perfect. Okay, now we'll do more. Check it out, if we missed anything. So yeah, the tachometer, I'm not really sure. I mean, it seems fine, in my opinion. But well, in generally, I mean, from the aesthetical point of view, I love this. I mean, I just freaking love this. It's just another thing, another feeling. It's just amazing. Truly, truly, truly amazing. So we're gonna screw this back again. Why do you do this to me? Oh man, why do you do this to me? There it is. Okay. So, there. Cool. Okay. Okay. This one got in. screw. Please don't fall down, please. Porfi, please, please, please. Okay. I think. Therefore, I am. Oh. Okay. Okay. Looks nice, 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 nice. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Love it. Truly love it. Truly love it. Love it, love it, love it. Ah, yeah. This part is kind of important, so let me put this back again. Okay, so. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. We did it. I am so happy right now. I love them. I truly love it. I mean, the B can be a little bit better, but it's okay. It's really okay. I mean, this is just truly amazing. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I mean, it's just another thing. Feels different. Feels more sporty. I love it. Yeah, I truly love it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go do a test ride to see if the speedometer is reading the right speed. The tachometer, well, that's definitely gonna be it's another conversation, but I will see what I can find on internet. But at least I know that the speedometer I can check with the digital one. So well, see you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.